Hi everybody, look at me in this car. Wow, it is so cold. It is like bitter cold out, and we are expecting 24 inches. I live above DC, and now they're saying that's like the worst corridor for all this. So I called work and got Jen to work for me, so I'm not going up there today. I am going to get some stuff in the house and hunker in. I'm also going to go to Lowe's and see if there's any kind of like alternative for like heating source that doesn't take electricity, because my house is completely electric, and they're talking about high winds, and I live out in the country. I live out in like nowhere, and they don't come to rescue us for a long time. So that being said, I don't want to be like frozen by the time they get to us, because it is literally bitter right now. Like, as you can see, that's my windows. I just got in my car. I didn't bother warming it up. I just got in. My eyeballs are like dripping. So anyway, ooh, green. Anyway, yeah, so my day is going to consist of me, you know, getting everything I need in for me and the kitties and the kids, the girls, and anything else I can do to make this like a more pleasant experience. I don't mind the cold or the snow, as long as I keep power. Like I don't even have to have cable, just power, you know. So I'm a little nervous about that, because I don't know, 24 inches. This is Maryland. This isn't like the Northeast where they're used to that stuff. This is, yeah, we're used to like 4 inches is a big fucking deal. No, trying to find a generator. Probably dumb, because I should have. Okay, so there are no generators. There is, but they're $799, which, I mean, I could buy one, but that's like ridiculous. I just don't have that kind of money. So then I was thinking, what about a kerosene heater? They don't have any here, but I'm going to, we have like Ace Hardware. We have a bunch of places on the way. Up 40 and Walmart, I think, carries them. So I'm going to see if I can find some alternative heat. And if not, I'm just going to go food shopping, see if they have, I wonder if they have winter blankets where you can use batteries instead of using, I'm going to go to the camping section in Walmart and see what I can find. The hunt is on for alternative heat. Oh my God. So I am like sweating. It's so hot in that store. So anyway, no luck on any kind of alternative heat. Or blankets that use anything but electric. So I'm just going to sleep in my car if something happens. I got everything I need, so that's the end of that. Okay, so the next thing is, I think I'm going to treat myself to a Dunkin' Donuts coffee, because it is like Madhouse people, and like probably not like the same thing as Madhouse people for like if you're in a big city, but where I live, this is Madhouse people. Like, it is packed in Walmart, and I was so hot with this, so I had to like put it up over my head like a babushka. I put a picture of it. I do it all the time at work, and Kimmy always says you should leave your hair like that, but it's funny for a minute. And yeah, so I got stuff to make soup, and I got stuff to make soup and vegetarian chili, and I got cheeses, and I'm gonna bake a brie. I'm gonna bake a brie and just have it, because then you can just break off pieces even if it's cold, because the one thing about going vegetarian is you don't have like the ability to just grab some lunch meat, you know what I mean? So instead I figured I'd bake a brie. I'm gonna make some potato salad, so I'm going home to cook, so you can come with me and watch me cook. Yeah, because I don't do it very often. Bye. Alright, let's see. Do you like the snow, Missy? Alright, so I just, in this, I mean, this is like feet of snow. The girls can't. Some big dog came and peed. The girls don't know what to do. So I just shoveled a path here because the back door is completely... I can't do it. So they're out in the front. Go run around. Who likes the snow? And Piper loves the snow. Piper, come here. Like, come here. Yeah, get that snow. Where's Piper? Get that snow. Get it. Oh, did you get it? Where's Pipey at? Where'd she go? Let's see. Oh, are you running in the snow? Go get that snow. Are you just a snow bunny? Are you a little snow bunny? She puts her whole face in it. Get out of there. Hey, get out of there. Oh, no. You snow bunny. What are you doing? Do you like running around in the snow, Pipey? Pipey, you done? Nope. Look, this is what she does. Go ahead, get in it. Oh, yes, you love the snow. You love it so much. Pipey, back here. Come on. Oh, yeah. It's 2 feet of snow. How you going to get in there? Well, back in the back. Oh, yes. Come on. Mommy will watch you. Go get it. Get that snow. Get that snow. Whoop. Get that snow. You get it. Look at her. She's on a hill of snow, like literally. Pipey, how you standing on that snow? Is that the snow? Look, she's walking on top of it. Normally she sinks in, but it's getting like real icy, so it's hard. Are you done? Are you done? Look at that mug. Pipey, yay! You better get in there, little girl. You're going to get cold. Are you cold yet? Are you cold yet? Come on. Let's go in. Come on, Mommy, give you a cookie. Oh, very good. Well, this is it, guys. This is what you're going to have to use to be... Oh, did you get a ball? You want to play snowball? All right, go get that ball. Oh, it's over here. Here it is. Mabel. They are like kids. They're like, let's play in the snow. I should have put coats on them. Get that snowball. All right, come on, bring it in. It's too cold. Let me get you in coats if you want to play. Piper loves it. She'll have snow hanging off her body. Come on, Mabel, in. Go on, bring the snow in. Go. Come on, my floor's already ruined. It's okay. Bam! Snowballs. Yup, in my house. Boom. You get it? Look at what happened last night. The snow, I literally had to, it came up underneath my door. Like, yeah, this is from us walking around, but that is not. That is from it coming through onto this thing. Because I live in an old cabin kind of house. It's actually like a cottage. And that's my snow bunny. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? You're so funny. They would go right back out. Like, I can try to let them out back. My floor is so full of snow. She wants out back, but I tried to shovel it, but it's feet of snow. Like, feet of snow. Like, it is up past the seats in my chairs and shit. It's like too much. Piper, how you gonna go out there? But she's kind of like on top of it now. What are you doing? Don't get stuck, miss. If you make me walk out in that, she loves it. She's always loved it. Did you run in the snow? You're probably so fucking freezing. I can't believe you. And Mabel wants you to throw the ball out there. They're crazy. Come on. Oh, no. You want me to throw it in there? Okay. Bam. What about you? Where are you going? In or out? In. Out. One more time. Go on. Go on. Go running through it. Hurry up. Go run. No, you done? Oh, no. You just wanted that one last time, huh? Oh, one more time. Go get it. Go get it, baby. You love that snow. She's nuts. Look at this. Piper, not too far. I'll have to go rescue her. Come here, you goofball. You are such a silly girl. Come on, inside. Let's go. We're going to give you some cookies. I can't get through this video because I have 22 girls working on the phone today since they can't be in the store and they can't be in the office. So, and I look like who did it and ran. I've done nothing but go out and I shoveled for the girls what I could. It's like 2 feet deep so far, and it's still snowing. This is like Saturday morning. So I shoveled for the girls. They had so much fun. I took a video of them running around the snow because my dogs like snow. I know they're little frou-frou dogs, but wait until you see. I took a picture of underneath Piper. Her bottom coat is like ridiculous, and I need to not let them go out without a coat on because they just get too cold. But I had just been shoveling and opened the door and they went flying out, so I let them go ahead and pee and stuff, and they were just overwhelmed. And now I had to use a blow dryer to get all the snowballs underneath her armpits and stuff. And then now she is wetly rolling in my bed. Yeah, because that's what they do. Because that's why I smell like a damn dog, I bet. Anyway, I haven't done anything for me today other than drink coffee. I did have my shake. I had my green shake and drank coffee, but pretty much I am hunkered in. I want to make some vegetarian chili for myself or soup. I think it's going to be vegetarian chili because somebody else mentioned chili and I was like, that might be perfect, you know? Plus, I don't think I'm getting enough protein, and beans and legumes are protein, so that'll help me with the protein part. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna wrap this thing up. This is just snow extravaganza. Okay, Piper's in her sweater. She got so cold outside, I had to take the blow dryer to her. And it is just steady snowing, just blizzard conditions out there. So I ate my chili. It was yummy. She wants me to play monkey with her, but Piper is all done in. Look at her. Are you so tired because it got so cold, huh? Is my baby tired? Is her tired? She's ready for a nap, and I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to lay down for a little while.